Same prompt, same project, same Claude code. The only difference is one file. Watch what happens. Same task, completely different result. Without the file, Claude makes its own choices. With the file, Claude follows mine. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you the file behind the difference and the 5 rules I keep in every single one of mine. Claude.md is a markdown file you put in the root of any project. Claude Code loads it automatically the moment you start a session in that folder. It's not a setting you toggle, it's not a command you run. The file is just there and Claude reads it. Think of it as a permanent system prompt for that project. Whatever you put inside, Claude treats as ground truth. Your stack, your conventions, your forbidden patterns, your test commands. No more re-explaining your project every time you start a new conversation. Rule 1. Tell Claude what the project actually is. One sentence on what it does, the stack, where it deploys. Without this, Claude guesses your stack from the file tree and it guesses wrong about half the time. 3 lines, written once, saves you hours of corrections. Rule 2. List your real conventions. Not the conventions in the framework's docs, yours. The ones you'd review at a code review and say no to. Claude defaults to whatever is most popular on GitHub. If your team writes things differently, you have to spell it out. Rule 3. The never list. This is the most underrated section. Tell Claude what is off limits. Don't touch the database schema. Don't add dependencies. Don't use any. The agent respects this list because it sits in context for every single response. Without it, Claude will helpfully install 3 packages you didn't want. Rule 4. Give Claude the verification commands test, type check, lint. And here's the trick. The last line tells Claude what to run before saying a task is done. If you don't add this, Claude will say done the moment it writes the code, never run the tests, and you find out at deploy time. This one line catches roughly half of all bad outputs. Rule 5. Every project has weird stuff that looks broken but isn't. Document those quirks in this section, otherwise Claude will see them and fix them. This section has saved me from agents helpfully refactoring legacy code that's load-bearing. Same prompt. Without Claude.md, Claude made its own choices about libraries, styles, and conventions. With Claude.md, every rule respected on the first pass. Same task, different result, one file, written once, used forever. That's it. Claude.md is the highest leverage 30 minutes you'll spend on any Claude Code project. The full template I just built is in the description. Copy it, fill in your stack, drop it in your project root. If you want more Claude Code workflow tips, I just shipped a vibe coding tutorial and a 5 automation Slack setup, both linked below. Subscribe. I cover every AI coding tool worth your time so you don't waste yours. Thanks for watching.